Hello and welcome to the selfcode.in where you learn to be the best. So we are here with the 100 days preparation kit for final years or company persons. So in this video we are going to tell how you need to prepare for company in order to get or achieve a good package in 100 days, just in 100 days, no matter what you have learned till now or what you have done till now. Nothing, we are going to tell everything from starting what you need to learn, like you are already in final year or in some company trying to switch your job or trying to get a new job, comfortable job. So you will be definitely having some knowledge along with you. If you don't have, no need to worry, we are here to help you out. Just follow the video and hit the like button. How we are going to start? We are going to break this course into the four parts. Firstly, we will be diving into the basics and theory. Secondly, solving easy and direct concepts. Thirdly, we are going to solve company problems. Fourth, we are making you cultural fit. So 100 days of efforts equal to placements. So before you go ahead, keep in mind that you need to focus on many things. Firstly, as you are in final year or a company person, you have to perform well. They will be expecting you to perform well in the rounds, as like in coding round as well as in system design rounds. You have the advantage to use your knowledge, like you already have enough knowledge with you. You will be having advantage to use that. So if you are a fresher, just type fresher in the comment box. We'll be making a complete roadmap for freshers, like who are in first year, second year or third year, like who are very new to coding or newbie. So this video is not absolutely for them, but you can also follow. But if you want a new dedicated video for the freshers, just type freshers in the comment box. So how we are going to prepare? So day 1 to day 7, choose a programming language and learn the fundamentals of it. So as you are in final year, you already have a programming language with you, either it is C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript or some other language which you like. If you are a company person, then also you will be having command to certain language. But if you want to learn from start, like you want to go for some other language, like if you are having command in some other language but want to continue with some other language, then also no problem. Just you need to follow some things. If you are just trying to switch to a new language, just go for the fundamentals and theory, like what it is, how is the syntax written, and some basic things. Then choose a programming language and learn the fundamentals of it. Reading, writing from writing from the files and to the files, reading input from the console user, splitting of strings, 2D array implementation and how to use it, very basic things of language such as C, C++, handling null terminated strings, something like that. Few basic theory concepts. As we are, you will be thinking like you are good in theory or basic parts, but in order to check yourself, you should try out some test, and according to your score, you should think like, do you really need to prepare for this or you need to skip this. So see questions like previously asked in that company. I'll be referring you some Geeks for Geeks basic questions which are asked in fill in the blanks or tick the correct options. In that way it is asked, so it will be good to prepare or check your skills. So in day 8 to day 14, what do you need to do? Just you need to learn few data structure and algorithms concepts. Just you need to learn the concepts like arrays, searching and sorting, stack, queue, linked list, tree, tries, graph, BFS and DFS, hazing and heap. You just need to learn how to implement this, how to use it. You just need not to solve any questions, like just solve the basic things with this. You'll be having some knowledge along with you after the end of day 14, like how to use this and how to perform several operations in these things. Adding to it, you also need to prepare for string, which is most likely asked in the interview. So if you are thinking you already know this topic, just try out giving some test, and according to the score, you just check your thing if you need to go or you need to skip. So just learn to implement array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, etc. The basic foundation helps a lot in solving the coding questions, so do not skip and have a good grasp on it. Day 21 to day 40, you just need to solve basic level programs like simple array problems, simple linked list problems, simple tree problems, stack, queue, graph, simple problems like basic school level or easy level problem. Just go to a website, either it is HackerRank, GFG or LeetCode. You are having certain options to sort. Go and make your profile, choose the questions, go to the problem section and choose the easy part. You can also choose like which part you want to work. As you only want to work for easy array programs, you can even filter out that, especially in geeks, for geeks, HackerRank and LeetCode. If you are desiring to go with some other website, you can also go, but I will refer these three websites as they are really good and they are having enough number of questions to solve. So just go with the flow. So if you have done this, you, at the end of day 40 you will be having enough knowledge like how these things are working, so you can go with the medium problems. As I told you how to filter out, as you have done filtering with the easy problem, just filter with the medium problems and try solving them. If you are not able to solve any problem, no worries, you can just go to the discussion or the editorial of that question and you can see the solution and then you can try. It is good to see solution if you are stuck for more than 1 hour with same question. Just try the similar kind of question with your own after seeing the solution. So just try solving array problem, linked list, tree, stack, queue, graph in heap. After the day of 60, just you will be having good knowledge to try most of the questions. So just learn the basic things like median, n queen, Sudoku, traveling salesman, dynamic. If you learn these concepts in 15 days, you will be able to solve all these, and there are only specific numbers of questions. So you need not to worry. Just 80 to 90 hard level questions are there which will be easy for you in 15 days. If you think it is getting hard for you, just decrease the number of questions. If you think it is easy for me, just increase the number of questions done. In day 76 to 85, just learn system design like URL sorting, service design, Facebook newsfeed design, Uber. In system design, just try out on some real world programs like Spotify, Tinder, something like that. Day 86 to day 92, you need to go with the OS and DBMS concepts. Just try out giving the basic concept which is most widely asked. Just go to top 15 companies and select OS and DBMS questions and just prepare for those. I have mentioned some of the most important questions here like process and process management, thread and concurrency, multi-threading, lock, process scheduling, synchronization and deadlock, CPU scheduling, distributed file system, memory management, and critical section problems. In day 93 to 99, you just need to learn object oriented design. OOAD is a very good subject and easy to learn. Just you need to do some 4 to 5 design things. Just go with one of them like class diagram. Just design the basic things like ATM, vending machine, etc. Then in last day, you just need to know the basics about the company, like what company does, what are their cultural program, like what are their cultures, what is their motto. You need to prepare resume, you need to prepare an intro. Just stand in front of the mirror and just say out loud what you will be presenting. Just think, just ask your friend to sit and take your interview according to an interviewer. You will be feeling really good when you go, or when you will go in front of the interviewer. You will feel really confident when giving your intro. So just prepare yourself just a day before. Subscribe to this channel. If you love this video, just like the video. If you have any doubt, just ask us in the comment box. For future updates, please subscribe the YouTube channel and press the notification bell to all. Share this video with the friends and loved ones. If you want similar kind of video for complete roadmap for freshers, just type freshers in the comment box. Thank you. Just keep supporting.